Welcome, I'm Joe Benedetto, and we are going to go over how to log into Office 365. The first thing you need to do is open a browser. I prefer Google Chrome. I have it on my taskbar, or we can go to the Windows key, click it, and we can see if you have a browser pinned to your start menu, or you can even scroll down and find Google Chrome. Once I open Google Chrome, I'm going to have to type in login.microsoft.com. When you're here, now you go to the keyboard and you click Enter. You'll get a splash screen that pops up and asks you for your username and password. I have done this before, so you can see that I'm already in. I'm going to click that, and it's directing us to the district's page. Once again, I have to put in my username and my password to get access to my personal files, so I'm going to click Sign In. When this page loads, it's going to load into OneDrive. That was my preference for it to start. Some people like to use Outlook or the main page that we saw in the presentation today. If you have any questions, please come and contact me.